my name is Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. And I wanted to do a part 2 where I show you guys how to curl with this thing. Let's check out if this thing can do a curl of any kind. Why not? Stay tuned and let's see what happens. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a little more heat this time. I'm turning it on. I'm gonna turn it up to 450 just because I wanna see what it does. So I'm gonna lock that in. And just so you guys know, it heats up really quick. I'm taking just a small section here and I'm gonna pull through the brush like this. Almost like what you would do with a flat iron. I have it twisted around my hair strand and I'm pulling it down. Like when you use a flat iron to do like a curl. Let's see here. Oh snap. Do you guys see the difference? Let's see if these are good curls. Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna try on this small section again. Hold on. Just make sure it's well, yeah, I kind of twisted it around it. Ooh. Okay, I'm not sad about that. I'm gonna grab the next section. And I do feel it draggy a little bit, so don't worry if it's dragging, that's good. That means it's putting the tension it needs to make a curl. Yeah, this is cool. Maybe I'll do a little more in here. Let's try it, hold on. So I essentially have the hair wrapped around it, like that. And I have long hair, so this may not work for somebody with shorter hair. But as you guys can see, like, this is the straight side. This is the wave pattern. I'm gonna do this bottom part again. Hold on, let's see. I'm just taking it slow so it actually does curl it. I can see the steam happening. Look at that. I'm not going for a big curl. I just want kind of like a little wave. So I am gonna kind of run through it once to make sure that it's not tangled and then kind of flip it through. What do you guys think? So I'm almost doing like how you curl with a flat iron. Obviously the curls are not as big as a flat iron, but you guys can see the difference. Like this side is the straight side and this side is the curled side. And it just gives it a little volume. It's cool because I feel like it's voluminous as opposed to like a flat iron that kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. It feels like a blowout more than a flat iron. So yeah, I dig it. Okay, well guys, I did that in like a couple minutes with this Amika straightening brush. So I think I have a new daily routine now. I'm not sad about that. And now we know that you can curl your hair with the brush. I'm gonna curl this side for you guys too so you guys can see both. So remember, smooth and steady. Just like when you do with a flat iron, you have to like take your time. I don't know if you can see the product steaming out, but you guys can see the curl. It feels like a 70s vibe. I like that it gives it a bounce, honestly. I feel like that's my favorite part. And I'm going all the same direction when I do it, like going towards the back. The cool thing is it feels like it kind of grabs onto the hairs. So towards the bottom, I don't feel like I have to like yank or anything like that. I just twist it around it one time and just start combing it through. And boom, 70s Farrah Fawcett over here. I love it. Sold. All right, I'm gonna turn it off, and just so you guys know, it also turns off on its own after, I believe after an hour if you didn't, let me see. So yeah, it has a 60-minute shut off for peace of mind. Like if you leave your house and you're like, oh no, did I turn it off? You'll know, you'll be like, okay, whatever. At least it will turn off after 60 minutes. That's good. And it has a 9-foot cord, which is awesome. I don't feel like I'm attached, which is great. I'm loving that. I feel like it's perfect. Just a little volume and body and just a little bit of style, but at the same time, literally I ran that brush through it like that. So, I mean, on shorter hair, I think it would be much harder, but for long hair, if you have super long hair and you want just a little something to pretend like you did something for your hair that day, which we know you didn't, but they don't need to know. Thanks so much for joining me. And I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll put a link down below for this tool. I'll also put in the cards here a link to the previous video I did. Just so you know, if you want to buy this tool, I have an affiliate link. If you want to, you don't have to. I get a portion of the sale if you do end up getting one, which is much appreciated but unnecessary because I think you guys will love it anyway, and sometimes it's just easier to do whatever. But if you're buying it online, then if you want to support me, do it. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Bye.